Good morning, students. In the earlier lecture, we discussed about the organization that promoting adaptive sports, in which we discuss about the Special Olympic Bharat, Paralympics, and Deaf Olympics. Today, our topic is the concept of inclusion. When we start the topic, first let's talk about the word inclusion. What do you mean by that? Inclusive education happens when children with and without disability participate and learn together in a same class. When a person have disability and the students who don't have any disability, they come together in the class and learn various things. So this is known as inclusion. We know that when children are educated together, positive academic and social outcomes occur for a children involved. So ऐसे इन्वायरमेंट में जहाँ डिसेबल्ड एंड नॉन डिसेबल्ड स्टूडेंट्स साथ मिलके क्लास में पढ़ाई करते हैं या कुछ सीखते हैं, सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड इंक्लूजन. जब ऐसा इन्वायरमेंट बच्चों को मिलता है तो उससे पॉजिटिव आउटकम्स बाहर आते हैं, सोशल आउटकम्स, सोसाइटी एजुकेट होते हैं साथ में, तो इनके बीच का जो फ्रेंडशिप है, जो इनकी दूरियां हैं वो कम होती हैं. द आइडिया बिहाइंड इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन इज़ दैट स्टूडेंट विद स्पेशल नीड्स विल बी प्लेस्ड इन सेम क्लासरूम एनवायरनमेंट एज अदर स्टूडेंट्स देयर एज हु डू नॉट हैव स्पेशल नीड्स. सो इस इंक्लूजन के पीछे जो आइडिया है, दैट इज़ डिसेबल्ड पर्सन को नॉर्मल पर्सन्स के साथ मिलके एजुकेशन प्राप्त करना. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड इंक्लूजन. आई थिंक द मीनिंग ऑफ इंक्लूजन इज़ क्लियर टू एवरीवन. देन व्हाट इज़ द नीड ऑफ इंक्लूजन? Why the disabled person study with a normal person? What are the benefits? There have been efforts internationally to include children with disability in the educational mainstream. In order to achieve truly inclusive education, we need to think about the incorporate CWSN, children with special needs, into regular schools. Because these kids face some sort of barriers to learning and participation in the classroom. So हमें कुछ ऐसे स्टेप्स स्कूल्स में लेने चाहिए ताकि इन डिसेबल्ड पर्सन को कोई ऐसी इन्फीरियर फीलिंग ना आए. जर्नल एजुकेशन क्लासरूम इंक्लूड्स मोर एंड मोर डाइवर्स स्टूडेंट. Teachers should realize the value of accepting each student as unique. So each student has its own capability, limitations, own strength. In effective inclusive programs, teachers adapt activities to include all students, even though their individual goal may be different. So inclusive programs में हर एक स्टूडेंट को इन्वॉल्व करना, ये जानते हुए भी कि हर स्टूडेंट की कैपेबिलिटी, स्ट्रेंथ, लिमिटेशंस अलग हैं, लेकिन उनको एक ग्रुप बनाना, एक साथ एजुकेशन देना, ये एक टीचर इंक्लूसिव इफेक्टिव प्रोग्राम में आता है. Most students learn and perform better when exposed to the richness of the general education. The growing body of research has shown that children do better academically when in inclusive setting, and inclusion provide opportunity to develop relationship. So these are the benefits of inclusion. In an inclusive educational setting, low achieving students are able to get extra help even though they did not qualify for special education. Classmates of students with disability also experience growth in social cognition, often can become more aware of the needs of other in inclusive classroom. So the children with special need, when they sit with a normal student also know their, you can say that, needs. They aware about the needs of others. So social cognition and growth in their relationship experience, so these increase in inclusive program. An interesting effect is that these parents report that they also feel more comfortable with CWSN because of their children experiences. Students with disability can create long lasting friendship that would not be otherwise possible. So this can be also a benefit of inclusion. नेक्स्ट आता है implementation of inclusion. How can we implement the inclusion in our journal classroom? The RTE, right to education, must apply to all citizens of India, state and central government, as well as all the other social actors should recognize the importance of a major concept of inclusive education. सो आर्ट राइट टू एजुकेशन में ये चीज़ अप्लाई होनी चाहिए कि डाइवर्स स्टूडेंट्स शुड रिकॉग्नाइज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ ए मेजर कंसेप्ट. सो इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन का जो मेजर कंसेप्ट है वो एक जर्नल क्लासरूम में अप्लाई होना चाहिए. एज ए सिस्टम इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन शुड बी फ्लेक्सिबल होनी चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टूडेंट. Its flexibility must be reflected in the methods and material used to give the children the widest possible. So वो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी कहाँ दिखनी चाहिए? पढ़ाने के तरीके में. ठीक है, मटेरियल्स में जो यूज्ड हो रहे हैं क्लासरूम में, उन बच्चों को परफॉर्म करने, उनको वाइड पॉसिबल रेंज देने में डेवलपमेंट की. So a school-based support team should develop strategy for whole school to meet the need of learners with special educational needs. So एक कमेटी होनी चाहिए स्कूल में, एक टीम होनी चाहिए जो स्ट्रेटजी डेवलप करे टू मीट द नीड ऑफ लर्नर्स विद स्पेशल एजुकेशन नीड्स. सो जो ऐसी स्ट्रेटजी बनाए जो इन लर्नर्स की स्पेशल नीड्स को पूरा करे. An inclusive school must enable education structure, system and method to meet the need of the children. Differently abled children should be treated equally as the normal children, and instead of looking them in sympathy, their talent and ability should be recognized for the self-respect. सो जो डिफरेंट एबल्ड पर्सन हैं उनको सिंपथी की नज़र से ना देखते हुए उनके टैलेंट को रिकॉग्नाइज करना चाहिए, उनकी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट बनानी चाहिए. सो दीज कैन बी द गुड स्टेप फॉर मोटिवेटिंग दैम. Necessary school supplies such as audio learning, textbook should be made available. Teacher attitude toward inclusive education could be formed and developed in the context of the educational system. Families with children without disability should develop relationship with families with children with disability and be able to make a contribution. सो यहाँ पे फैमिली का रोल भी बढ़ जाता है. जो एक नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट की फैमिली है, डिसेबल स्टूडेंट की फैमिली के साथ भी अच्छा रिलेशन बनाए ताकि उन दोनों स्टूडेंट्स में भी अच्छा रिलेशन बन सके. Inclusive should not be the sole responsibility of the specific class teacher. Everybody should be involved and take responsibility. Training for teachers should be sustained and ongoing. It should most importantly focus on attitudinal change. So these can be the steps to implement the inclusive program in journal classroom. So I think the meaning, the need and implementation of inclusion is clear to everyone. Thank you very much.